Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up a HTML tags indent on Notepad++. If you are using the Notepad++ for build the HTML page, then you can easy to set up the HTML tags indent. Let's learn how you can do this.
Before enter this video, subscribe our channel for further technology videos.
In my HTML page, the tags are not indent. So I would like to indent this by using Notepad++. So the Notepad+, you have to go to plugin tabs. Here you have to click on the plugin admin. So here you have to search the indent. So then you have to select the indent by fold. Then you have to select and click to install. So you have to confirmation of this installation. So after install the plugin, you have to go to plugin. Then you have to go to indent by fold. Here you have to click on the re-indent file. That's it. So now you can check it out. The HTML tags are properly indent. So in this way, you can set up the HTML tags indent on your Notepad++.
Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.